Dear students, it is chapter 2 of integration. Integration by substitution method. Here in the previous video, you know the formula of sin x plus b, cos x plus b, sec square x plus b, cosec square x plus b, sec x plus b, tan x plus b dx, and cosec x plus b, cot x plus b. And in these 8 problems of chapter 2, and we have to find the answer. It is just one line problem. Look at here, sin ax plus b. Whatever writing here, the coefficient of x is a, you have to write minus 1 by a cos ax plus b. Look at here, it is sin 3x. Here b is what? B is 0, a is what? 3. So answer will be minus 1 by 3. Understand? Minus 1 by 3 cos 3x plus c. Similarly, what is the answer of here? If b is 0, answer will be what? 1 by a sin ax plus c. Okay, here 1 by a sin ax plus c. And here cos 2 minus 7x. It is just what? Applying this. You have to put 1 by a. So here 1 by 2. No, it is 1 by minus 7. Mind it. It is very important. 1 by minus 7. It is written that cos ax plus b, 1 by a. It is cos what? It is cos minus 7x plus 2. So answer will be 1 by minus 7 sin 2 minus 7x plus c. Okay. Now, what is its answer? I will give two methods for this. After telling this, sin x by 2, it is what? Minus 1 by a. A means what? 1 by 2. Sin integration is what? Cos x by 2 plus c. So answer is minus 2 cos x by 2 plus c. Okay. And you know, integration of sec square 4x is 1 by 4 tan ax plus tan ax plus b. Here what? 1 by 4 tan 4x plus c. Cosec square x by 3. Cosec square a is what? 1 by 3. So here you have to put minus 1 by 1 by 3. And answer is cot x by 3. So it is minus 3 cot x by 3. Now look at this problem again. This problem you can write, as you know, cos theta is equal to cos minus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. So in this problem you can write this as cos 2 minus 7x is same as 7x minus 2 into dx. Cos 7x minus 2 is what? Now it is 1 by 7 and it is sin 7x minus 2 plus c. So you will ask me, sir, why the answers differ here? No problem. Then they are equal. Why? As you know, 1 by minus 7 sin minus theta. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. So you can write minus sin 7x minus 2 plus c. Now you come at this point, minus minus cancel. 1 by 7 sin 7x minus 2. Okay. Now sec x plus b tan x plus b dx. Here it is x plus 2. Means a is what? 1. B is what? 2. The answer is 1 by 1. That is 1. Sec 1 sec x plus 2. Similarly here answer is what? Minus cosec x plus pi by 4 as cosec ax plus b into cosec ax plus b into cot ax plus b. Answer is what? Dx. Answer is minus cosec ax plus b. So minus is given, cosec x plus pi by 4. Now look at here. Integration of sin x dx is minus cos x plus c. But I don't like that. I want the method. What is that? Sin jitna derivative of utna is equal to cos utna plus c. Similarly, cos jitna derivative of utna hona chahiye, then the integration will be sin box plus c. These are the methods. Okay, I am doing like this. Look at these two formula. Here, what is cos x cube into x square? Now I am writing number 9 as in this form. What is here? Cos x cube I am writing first. Then writing into x square dx. Look at here. It is what? If I will put something to x cube, its derivative is 3x square. But here it is x square. So now you can put theta is equal to x cube. So that d theta is equal to 3x square dx. Now x square dx is what? 1 by 3 d theta is x square dx. Now its integration is what? Cos x cube. X cube means theta into x square dx. What is x square dx? It is 1 by 3 d theta. So you have to take outside. So taking cos theta d theta. What is integration of cos theta? As you know, integration of cos theta d theta is sin theta. So I am writing here sin theta plus c. It is 1 by 3 sin theta. Theta means what? Theta is your x cube plus c. Look at here. I am telling it again. X square into cos x cube. Just I am reversing. Cos x cube into x square. Why I am writing it? Because its derivative, the derivative of x cube is 3x square. 3 is simple a constant. I can multiply 3 and divide 3. Okay, no problem. So I am putting theta is equal to x cube. D theta is 3x square dx. Then x square dx is 1 by 3 d theta. Now I am totally converting that x in form of theta. It becomes cos theta. It becomes 1 by 3 cos d theta. And taking 1 by 3 outside, you can proceed. It's very easy. Take the screenshot of this problem. Theta is equal to x cube, d theta 3x square dx. So 1 by 3 d theta is equal to x square dx. So it becomes cos theta 1 by 3 d theta. 1 by 3 will come outside. Cos theta d theta. Then you can integrate it. Okay. Look at here. We already know sec x tan x dx is sec x plus c. So sec in my way it is sec जितना tan उतना डेरिवेटिव ऑफ उतना होने से इसका रिजल्ट होगा sec उतना plus c. Here what? You have to just convert this number 10 in the form sec what? Sec e to the power x. Then write tan e to the power x. Then write e to the power x. Then dx. And then what you have to write? Sec jitna. It is another method. It is another method. You can also put. I will tell it again. Tan utna. What is this? Do you know what is this? This is derivative of e to the power x. Derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x and dx. So its result you can directly write it sec utna means e to the power x plus c. Another method is also there. Put t is equal to another method. T is equal to e to the power x. Then dt e to the power x dx. Then you have to write, suppose I am writing it theta. It is also theta. Then you have to write sec theta, tan theta, it is a d theta. Now sec theta, tan theta, d theta. Integration of sec theta, tan theta, d theta is what? Sec theta plus c. In place of theta, it is sec e to the power x plus c. Okay, it is another method for number 10. I will discuss it. Number 11. Look at here. It is, we know the formula sec square x dx integration is tan x plus c. So its form is sec square box d box is equal to tan box. Sec square जितना derivative उतना is equal to tan utna. Here integration of number 11, what I am doing? Sec square root x by root x into dx. So what is here? Utna means what? Theta. So put theta is equal to root x. Then d theta is equal to root x ka derivative 1 by 2 root x dx. So you multiply 2 here. 2 d theta is equal to dx by what? Root x. The answer is what? Sec square. Sec square. What is root x? Root x means theta. What is dx by root x? Dx by root x is what? 2 d theta. Now result is what? Integration result is 2 integration of sec square theta d theta is 2. Integration of sec square theta is what? Integration of sec square theta, you know sec square theta d theta. Integration is tan theta. So it becomes tan theta plus c. Now the result is 2 tan theta. Theta means what? Root x plus c. Okay. Now number 12. Now this problem is different from all other previous problems. Here look at the derivative of sin x is cos x. Also the derivative of cos x is sin x. So in this case, what you have to do? Put t is equal to sin x. Then dt is what? It is cos x dx. And here the problem will become t sin x. In place of sin x I am putting t. And in place of cos x dx I am putting dt. Now what is the integration of t dt? You know the formula of t to the power n dt. It is t to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. Here what will happen? It is just t square by 2 plus c. It is answer is minus, sorry, t is equal to, it is sin square x by 2 or half sin square x plus c. Suppose someone will ask me, sir, if I will do this problem by putting t is equal to cos x, then what will happen? Now I am doing in this side and you should know the difference. What will happen? Put z is equal to cos x. Here t is equal to sin x. I am putting t is equal to cos x. Then dt is equal to what? Minus sin x dx. Now the integration is sin x cos x dx. It becomes what? You should bring cos x to in its front, then sin x to the back. It becomes integration sin cos x. In place of cos x you have to write t. In place of sin x you have to write minus dt. And integration of minus t dt is what? Minus t square by 2 minus t square by 2 plus c. And minus t square by 2 becomes what? It is minus half. In place of t square you have to write what? Cos square x plus c. Then in your mind question will arise, sir, here the answer is half sin square x plus c. Why here the answer is minus half cos square x plus c? Now my answer differs. What will I do now? Look at here. The answer are not different. They are equal. How? Now taking common, suppose I am taking this as C1, then look at here what will happen. It becomes 1 minus cos square x plus C1, and in place of when I will open it, it becomes what? It becomes what? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos square x plus C1. Look at here, minus 1 by 2 cos square x plus C1 plus half. C1 is constant, half is constant. When they add to each other, it will become another constant. Now it is half cos square x plus C. Here answer, here the same answer. So if you will put t is equal to sin x, you will come to the point half sin square x plus C1. It is same as half answer. If you will put t is equal to cos x, you will get minus half cos square x plus C. Both answers are equal. Okay, the both answers are same. The only difference is constant. If in the exam one will do this method, you will get full mark. Also in this method, you will get full mark. No problem there. Okay. I think you can do this problem very easily, because here the derivative of tan x is what? Sec square x. So putting t is equal to tan x, put t is equal to tan x, dt becomes what? Sec square x dx, and it becomes pq dt, and the answer is what? T fourth by fourth plus c. It is 1 by 4 tan 4 plus c. Okay. Previously I told you have to remember the derivative formulas. Look at here and tell me whose derivative is what. That is, my question is, here two things, that is cosec x, cosec square x, here cot x. Is the derivative of cosec square is what? Is it cot x? No. Derivative cot x is minus cosec square x. Okay. And derivative 1 is 0. So here what you have to do? Put t is equal to 1 plus cot x. Look at it, becomes dt, and derivative 1 is 0, derivative cot x is minus cosec square x dx. It becomes what? Minus dt by t. It is minus ln t plus c. It is minus ln t. T means what? 1 plus cot x plus c. Okay. Here, look at here. Derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative cos x is sin x. But mind it, dx is not multiplied to denominator. It is multiplied to numerator. So, and it here is the greater power. So put t is equal to cos x. dt becomes minus sin x dx. And the integration becomes minus dt by tq. It is minus t to the power minus 3 dt, and integration is minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. It is what? 1 by 2 t square plus c. Okay, and the result is 1 by 2 into 1 by t square, means 1 by cos square x plus c. It is 1 by 2. 1 by cos square x is what? Sec square x plus c. In another method, you can do this problem also. Suppose I am taking this problem as in this manner, not putting anything, looking here. Look at this point. I am doing sin x by cos x into 1 by cos square x. It becomes what? It becomes tan x. 1 by cos square x is what? Sec square x. Look at here. Whose derivative is what? Put t is equal to tan x. Then dt is what? dt is sec square x dx. So here it is what? Here it is integration t sec square x dx is what? dt is equal to t square by 2 plus c. It is 1 by 2. What is t square? T is what? Tan square x plus c. Similarly, you will ask, sir, what is the here answer? Previously 1 by 2 sec square x. Here 1 by 2 tan square x. Suppose I am taking here c1. Then look at the difference. 1 plus tan square x plus c1. The answer is half tan square x. I am multiplying half to tan square x and writing first. Then half plus c1. And it becomes what? Another constant c. So answer is half tan square x plus c. Okay? Here in number 16, look at it. It is as like as 15. Just put t is equal to sin x. Then dt is cos x dx. Integration becomes dt by t fifth. It is equal to t to the power minus 5 dt. And answer is what? T to the power minus 4 by minus 4 plus c. And you can put t is equal to sin x. It becomes minus 1 by 4 into 1 by t4 means 1 by sin 4 plus c. That is 1 by 4 cosec 4x dx. Okay. Here just look at here. Whose derivative is here looking? Put t is equal to ln x. dt is what? 1 by x dx. So you have to write this cosec square ln x into 1 by x dx. It becomes cosec square t into dt. And you know it is minus cot t. You have to remember the formula. Then putting value of t, you will get the answer. Minus cot ln x minus cot ln x plus c. Okay. Now look at this problem. It is number 18. 1 minus sin x into cos x dx. Now here, if you will put t is equal to sin x, then dt is cos x dx. You can do in that method. But as it is root over there, so you have to put t square is 1 minus sin x. So its derivative is what? T square derivative to t. 1 minus sin x ka derivative is minus cos x. As variable is t, you have to put dt. As variable x, you have to put dx. So it becomes t into minus dt. My cos x dx, in place of cos x dx, you have to write what? Minus 2t dt. So minus 2 will come outside and dt minus t cos x dx. In place of 1 minus sin x root over, you have to write t. In place of cos x dx, you have to write minus 2t dt. Minus 2t dt. So it becomes minus 2 t square dt, whose integration is minus 2 t 3 by 3 plus c, which is equal to minus 2 by 3. And tq is what? 1 minus sin x to the power 3 by 2 plus c. As t is equal to 1 minus sin x to the power half and tq is 1 minus sin x to the power 3 by 2. Okay. Now number 19, first you have to write x square plus 3 root over into x dx. As derivative of x square is x, the derivative part should be written in the right hand side. So put t is equal to, not t, t square is equal to x square plus 3. It becomes 2t. Its derivative is 2t. Its derivative is 2x. So as the variable t, you have to write dt. As the variable x, you have to write dx. So cancel. So t dt is x dx. So t dt is equal to x dx. Now what you have to write here? Now it becomes what? It becomes x square. In place of x square 3 root over, you have to write t. In place of x dx, you have to write t dt. So answer is what? integration of t square dt, and result is t3 by 3 plus c. In place of t you have to put x square plus 3 whole to the power 3 by 3 plus c. Okay, you know the formula of dx by ax plus b is 1 by ln ax plus b, which I have told you earlier. It is dx by 7 dx by 2 minus 3x. What you have to do? As 7 is constant, in just multiplying, you can put outside 7 integration, and you have to put this variable should be on the first position. So it is minus 3x plus 2. Now it is in this form. Answer is what? 7 into 1 by a means what? Minus 3. ln what? Minus 3x plus 2 plus c. Look at question number 21. It is x dx by x square minus a square. So for 21 you have to put t square is equal to x square minus a square. As its derivative is x. So 2t dt is equal to what? 2x dx. Now they cancel. So t dt is equal to x dx. And this integration becomes, in place of x dx we have to put t dt by x square minus a square. In place of x square minus a square we have to put t square. Its root over is what? T. So cancel. It becomes t plus c. What is t? T is what? X square minus a square root over plus c. Okay. In place of 21 you have to put this. Now look at this problem. What you have to do here? The derivative, put t is equal to this. Why? Its derivative. Look at here. Put t is equal to x cube 3x plus what? Plus 7. What is dt? It is 3x square plus 3 whole into dx. It is 3 into x square plus 1 dx dt. And in place of x square plus 1 dx, we have to write 1 by 3 dt is x square plus 1 into dx. So, here in this problem number 22, what you have to put here? Look at here. You have to do what? You have to put 1 by 3 dt in place of x square plus 1. Then the denominator is what? T cube. It becomes 1 by 3 t to the power minus 3 dt. And its answer is 1 by 3 t to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. It is minus 1 by t into 1 by t square plus c. It is equal to minus 1 by 6 into what is 1 by t square? 1 by t square means 1 by x square plus 3x plus 7 इसका whole square. You have to write plus c. Okay, now number 24. Look at the problem. And put here put t is equal to, putting t is equal to, put t is equal to x fourth minus 3x square plus 1. It becomes dt is equal to dt is equal to 4x cube minus 6x plus its derivative is 0 whole into dx is equal to dt is equal to, it taking 2 common, it becomes 2x cube minus 3 dx. Now in place of 2x cube dx we have to write what? It becomes t fourth into, in place of 2x cube minus 3x, it is what? Dt by 2. So 1 by 2 dt is 1 by 2 integration of t4 dt is t5 by 5 plus c. So it is 1 by 10 and t to the power 5. T to the power 5 is x4 minus 3x square plus 1 to the power 5 plus c. Okay. Now put t is equal to x cube here. Why t is equal to x cube? As its derivative is x square. So dt is equal to what? 3x square dx. And in place of x square dx, you have to put 1 by 3. It is e to the power t into x square dx, it is dt. And it is 1 by 3 e to the power t plus c. It is 1 by 3. In place of e to the power t, you have to write e to the power x cube plus c. Okay. Now put t is equal to x square. Dt is what? 2x dx. In place of this, you have to put what? A to the power t dt. And you know its formula is a to the power t ln a plus c. And a to the power t. T means what? X square by ln a plus c. You know already the formula of integration a to the power t. That is a to the power t by ln a plus c. Here put t is equal to 2x plus 7. Dt is 2 dx. And in place of e to the power 7x, we have to put e to the power t into dx. In place of dx, it is what? 1 by 2 dt. It is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power t dt is 1 by 2. What is the integration of e to the power t? It is e to the power t plus c. That is 1 by 2 e to the power t. In place of t, we have to put e to the power 7x plus c. And there is also another formula, that is direct formula. E to the power x plus b dx is 1 by a e to the power ax plus b. Applying this formula, you can also do this problem directly. Okay. Also, integration of e to the power ax is what? E to the power x by a plus c. So, integration of 27. Integration of x by 3 dx. It becomes what? It becomes 1 by 1 by 3. Because a is here 1 by 3. E to the power 3, e to the power x by 3 plus c. It is 3 e to the power x by 3 plus. Now look at number 28. We have a formula a to the power x integration is a to the power x by ln a. And if it is a to the power mx, the formula is a to the power mx by m ln a, which I have already taught you in my previous videos. Very easy formula. Take the derivative of this a to the power mx. Derivative is a to the power mx into m ln a. Now they cancel. Okay, you have to write c. Now number 28. What will happen? A to the power 2x. A to the power 2x is what? It is a to the power 2x by m ln a. M means 2 ln a plus c. Okay. As the derivative of tan x is sec square x, so put t is equal to 2 tan x. And dt is 2 sec square x dx. In place of sec square x dx, what you have to put? 1 by 2 dt. And it is e to the power t. E to the power t dt. It is e to the power t plus c. It is 1 by 2. E to the power t means e to the power 2 tan x plus c. Okay. Here put t is equal to e to the power x minus 2. Then dt is equal to e to the power x dx. In place of e to the power x dx, what you have to put? You have to put dt. dt by e to the power x minus 2 whole square. It is t square. And it becomes t to the power minus 2 dt. It is t to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. And it is t to the power it is minus 1. So t to the power minus 1 plus c. it becomes minus 1 by t plus c. Minus 1 by t means what? E to the power x minus 2 plus c. Okay.